Hello everyone, today we are going to make this beautiful pearl set. This is cute and easy to make for beginners. So first let's make the pearl necklace. Before that, let's take a look at the materials required for making the pearl necklace. Pearl, fuse wire, chain. You can use any chain of your choice. Cut the chain at the same distance. I cut at a distance of 1.5 inches. Now I have cut the whole chain in 1.5 inches distance. Next, cut the end of the fuse wire. Twist the fuse wire and cut the excess. And next, add a pearl. Then add a piece of chain we cut. And twist it next. Cut the excess. Keep repeating the steps until desired length of the necklace. Lastly, add the hook. And our beautiful and cute pearl necklace is ready. Now let's make the pearl bracelet. Before that, let's look at the materials required. Gear wire, golden beads, seed beads, gear lock, lobster hook, gem ring. Take your size by measuring around your wrist. And cut it. Put a gear lock first. And then put 8 to 9 seed beads. And add the lobster lock. Put more 8 to 9 seed beads. Pull the gear wire through the beads. And then the gear lock. Press the gear lock tightly for securing. Use a flat nose plier for pressing. Put the golden beads and pearls alternatively. Cut excess gear wire. Add the seed beads like before, but instead of lobster lock, add gem ring. And repeat the same steps as we did previously. Then pull it tight using flat nose plier. Cut excess gear wire. Our pearl bracelet is ready. Now let's make the final product in this set, the pearl earrings. Let's take a look at the materials required. Pearls, earring rings, bead caps, fuse wire, golden beads, and pliers. Cut one end of the fuse wire and add a pearl bead. Next, add a bead cap. Add a golden bead next. Twist the fuse wire using round nose pliers. Cut the excess fuse wire. Open the twisted part and add the earring ring. Now make the other pair repeating the same step. And our beautiful, cute and easy to make pearl set is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Hit the notification bell to be updated when I post a new video. Till the next video, bye bye.